Yo, what's up everybody? This is Spencer, aka BBoy Itachi, coming to you for the first episode of Breaking 101 with the Knowledge Tree. Let's get it. Today I'm going to be breaking down what a set, also known as a run, is for you guys. A set or a run is a combination of moves or steps a b-boy or b-girl does together while performing, ciphering, or battling. A set usually includes different styles of moves that are all considered breaking. A breaker, b-boy, or b-girl performs different moves at different levels using different body parts, each move falling into a category of its own. The main categories you'll hear of are top rock, drops, footwork, power moves, and freezes. All breaking moves fall under these labels. We're going to break these 5 categories down together today, and then we're going to put them all together to make a run. Alright, so first up we have top rocks. Top rocks are your standing up steps that you'll see b-boys doing up top before making their way down to the ground. This is where b-boys or b-girls are going to show their flavor, their style, how they rock up top. Here's a few steps for you guys. Basic steps, up top. Next up, we have drops. Drops are a b-boy or b-girl's way of making it down to the floor with style and flavor. So there are many drops. I'm going to show you guys a couple of basic drops, simple ways of getting down to the floor. Here we go. Next up we got power moves. Power moves are the spinning, flipping, and flying acrobatic moves that you'll see b-boys do on and off the floor. These are real dynamic movements that are quite difficult usually. I'm going to show you a few right now. Here we go. Last but not least, we got freezes. If sets were a sentence, then freezes would be the exclamation mark that a b-boy or b-girl usually performs at the end. The aim is to be as still as you can be, like a statue. Here are some basic freezes for you guys. So there you have it, y'all. The 5 main categories that make up a set for a b-boy or b-girl. Once again, we have top rocks, drops, footwork, power moves, and freezes. This is BBoy Itachi coming to you for Breaking 101. Thank you for tuning into the Knowledge Tree. I'm gonna put it together for y'all one time. Here I go.